Hello folks, Armando Barbosa here with Vision Mortgage Company, bringing you the Vision Mortgage Minute, information about the mortgage industry in a minute or so. So today we're going to talk about the mortgage landscape. What have we lost? What have we gained? Well, if you've talked about home equity loans, you've heard the news, JP Morgan Chase pressed pause on originating home equity loans. Thanks, big box lenders. Just when America needs you the most, we got tons of equity out there. Well, I'm here to stay, and I'm here to say that we have home equity loans. The lending guidelines may have gotten a little bit tighter. Of course, the lenders are wanting to reduce their risk, but they're still available. We have lots of them. In fact, one of the home equity loan programs that we have that's most popular is, of course, the reverse mortgage. And here's an example of one that we're originating right now. We're doing a $950,000 cash out reverse mortgage. Why? Cash flow. The borrower has his investment in stocks, and stocks, as we all know, if you look at your 401k, have taken a huge beating. So what's the solution? If you're over 62, the solution may be a reverse mortgage that allows the borrower to weather the storm of this pandemic and hopefully watch those stocks go back up. Remember, there's no prepayment penalty on this type of program, and so it can be paid off in the future. Or you can even pay the accrued interest or accruing interest as it becomes accrual, and that way your balance stays essentially the same instead of going up like a reverse mortgage does. So what are some other examples of some solution loans that we're originating? Well, one is our private portfolio loan on investment properties. Folks, these are wealthy individuals that come to me and say, lend out my money on solid investment property loans. We did $2 million of this type of financing in January, about $2 million in February, a little less in March, and for April we have more money than we have projects. So if you've got a good investment property that you'd like to draw some cash out and have plenty of equity in it, we're here to lend. So give us a call. Another great example is a loan that we closed last week with regard to that. It's a commercial loan, commercial building. It's a $100,000 loan on a $900,000 valued property. Seems like a huge amount of equity, wouldn't you agree? All right, another example is our non-traditional asset depletion program. Imagine if you had a ton of stock or perhaps huge deposits, but you really didn't have any income per se. You show your tax returns and a lot of income. So what's the bank going to say? No way, we can't do this loan. We can do that mortgage. You know what we do? We add up all the assets in the banks and or the stock, and we divide by 60. That number becomes your income for qualifying. It's called an asset depletion program. Give us a call on that. Aside from the non-conforming product, we're also doing the standard VA, FHA, and conventional loans. We're even, of course, doing the low-cost streamline refinances. So check your rate. Give us a call. We're happy to give you a market quote. The main thing to remember is that nothing lasts forever. We'll come out of this pandemic, and then we'll have a roadmap on how not to have this happen again, hopefully in the future. Last week I mentioned that we may be at the foot of the mountain when it comes to the market turning from a seller's market to a buyer's market. I want you to be prepared. I want to show you how you can jump off the fence and become a real estate homeowner or an investment property owner. One last concept. I picked this up from a webinar. You know, 1,000,000 seconds is 11 days. 1 billion seconds is 32 days. But 1 trillion seconds is 32,000 years. Folks, we're going to have a lot of debt to pay off in the coming years. Invest in real estate and ride that wave. Call us 210-348-0077. As for myself, Armando Barbosa, or Joey Barbosa, my son, both licensed and here to serve you, and we're anxious to hear from you. So give us a call. Thanks. Oh, by the way, happy house hunting.